ndimi munotinyorera, ndimi munotipa nyaya dzenyu, and you too can write in if you have a hot topic. Remember, you can write in anonymously. Ngotumira hot topic yako, no need for an ID. Atidi zvakawanda tinongofambira nyaya yacho. So let's find out where Sahky is taking us today as far as our hot topic is concerned.
Yebo, asingeneni ku hot topic yethu yanamhlanje lalelani. Hi K.V.G, hi Sahky. I'm a lady aged 57 years old and need your help. I'm a single mother of 4 kids, 2 girls and 2 boys. My husband passed away 4 years ago. So my 3rd-born son was seeing this girl for close to 3 years. They connected months after K.V.G. They were in love, inseparable too. After finishing university, my son got a very good job through his father's network. That same year, he told me he was saving money to marry his girlfriend. I remember asking him how she felt about it, and he said, I've been hinting Nyaye Kurora, and she seemed very excited about it. My son planned a small and intimate dinner with a few friends and isusu hamadzake ni hamadzimskana. I think in total taishika kuma 15. After dinner, my son went down on one knee and proposed to the girl. My poor son was rejected. We can't even explain it, but it crushed him. A few days later, we realized he was not leaving his room. And one Saturday, akasvika kuma 2 p.m. asina kumbobuda. I prepared lunch and went into his room to find him netambo moro achiedza kuzviuraya. Imba yangu haina ceiling, so tambo yaive mumapuranga. I still have sleepless nights over this. Ndakamutora and held him in my arms and cried. He started crying as well, asking me, Kuti, why did she refuse my proposal, Mama? I couldn't answer. I just thanked God I walked in that room in good time. Takasimbane counseling, we even asked his little brother to share the bigger room, too, so that he's not isolated. 2 years of therapy and prayer worked. Uyuo Mskana, when she heard about the suicide attempt, she went silent and was nowhere to be found. So during the past year, he was now healthier and happier. He was seeing someone else, and 7 months ago he got married. He did things differently this time. No proposal, just introductions, then maroro. Now, nyayangu iri pakuti kamskana kaye kadzoka, and murora wangu is complaining that my son is cheating. Takamubvunza kuti waonei, akatiudza zita and showed us messages, and takabva taperero. I tried talking to my son with the help of his sister and my brother, and he shouted at us saying, why are you taking side remurora? He is refusing to admit that he's cheating with this girl. Same girl that almost killed him in a heartbreak. So my sister and I takamuyendera and confronted her, and she told us that mwana wenyu ndiye akanditanga ega. She didn't even have kind words zvachosi. She told us that time she was not ready since she was pursuing her dreams. So ndipo patiri vedari murora ane mimba and is threatening to leave. I fear for my son's safety. His life and marriage is on the verge of collapse. I need your help, ndoita se ninya yangu. Please help. You hot topic yethu yanamhlanje.
Yeah. On 0772162651, you can connect with us. Thank you so much, Manwe, for our hot topic for today. Like I said, you too can write in if you have a hot topic that you'd like to share. Yeah, yakatiome tichanzwa kudare redu kuti yambiro yamungapa mayava ndiye kuti chi. Let's find out who's on line 1 Star FM. Hello.
Hello, Sahky.
Masera say.
Maskera wangu aputitse mpana rauro wakaputsa sereni. Hello?
Hello, yes, tikukunzwa. Zvinozoita here vakashandisa violence.
Aiwa, discipline committee ndiyotodi wapere mukomana. Haufaniri kuputsa pekusenetwa wakapotsa wafa 1 2. Oshungurudza mai vako. Oshungurudza kuti mukadzi wacho nakuita renhoko. Iri kwere zvakadaro. Hakuna zvakadaro. Komana ngambugara naye pasi. Anytime, still time go around and go fight any given time. Pamwe ndiro girls remind you, vakakendwa manje.
Yeah, it could be. Zvinenge spiritual and it. Yeah.
Vakakendwa manje, tinotambosangana nezvakadaro, but tinozokuta nemweya yokunamata.
Thank you so much for highlighting that. Yeah, it could be spiritual. Yeah, because kubatirira kwaita pane musikana uyu kuri dangerous. 1, 2. This girl though, nakana mukanwa wake. Because tingada kunyatsoona mashoko ari kutaura kuna mai vemunhu ka.
Ndiye akatonditanga mwana wenyu.
But you know kuti he's now married, he has moved on. Hey, saka panoitwa say, okay. Tivhure nhare line 2 star family.
K.V.G Dave.
Maswera sei boss wangu.
Umana mai wangu anitaziko. Ndiri kutaurwa kapa.
Usadaro.
Nditokudza.
Did you go through the exact situation yatinayo?
Ndinotaura mauza.
Usadaro. Ndiwe uri kuchiita pane mukadzi wako?
Nditona mwakana tu.
Including uyu?
Asa ndazviuraya.
Sakilinda neta. Usandidaro.
Ada kurohwa. Autijairira mpano.
Yoni. Oh dear. Oh my word. Yeah, I think we need to be prepared for this though. Imagine with Murizo topic agafona and it's like a sensitive one like this. Sadara, I see you. Style family.
K.V.G and Sahky.
Maswera.
Maswera.
Yeah.
Anti mama wabvunza kuti todikana zvadai.
Panoitwa sei?
Unfortunately vari kudzana vanhu 2 vari selfish. Mwana wavo ari selfish.
Musikana
uyu futi ari selfish. So kuti vasanyanya kusafise mwana wevanhu auya in picture ane pamuviri paanogona kuluza. Dai vangobatsira mwana uyu kuti aite choice yake asi hake mwana wevanhu aende. Avo vari 2 avo they deserve each other. Kufambira waMwari maitikiro azvo ndo anosiyana. Asi kana azoda ake anoda kumuuraya uyu ndo nzira yaanenge achuza. Asi ngavasazourayisa uyu akauya.
Ndizvozvo ende vari kutomuvhiringidza nenguva yaari kozi akazvitakura mabp nechi
pamwe chete nemwana.
Ndizvozvo
Aiwa ingoti avo ngava they deserve each other avo vari 2 avo.
Hey, 0772162651 feel free to